Hey, what is up? I absolutely felt so called this morning after my run to pop on here and just share what was coming through for me, because I know that so many of us definitely have a kind of a bullshit story running through our heads about like having to work out. I got to get my workout in, right? I mean, I've been in the fitness game for 20 plus years as a professional, and also my own personal journey. Like, how do I repack this? It doesn't feel good when you think about your workout as something you have to do. We kind of know that. So here's what I wanted to share. And it's something I know, like, I have totally lived in this space for so long where I'm like, I have to plan my workouts out for the week, and I have to get X many days of running in and this many days of strength training, and it's all structure and it's all planned, and it's have to, should. And the fact that I call it a workout in and of itself, I am like starting a global campaign to turn the word workout into play out. For God's sake, let's stop calling it work. Because here's the deal. I want to play a little game with you guys right now. So if you're on, you're watching, you're checking out the recording, I hope this completely shifts your entire perspective. Let's play a little game. We're going to actually time travel. You ready? Okay. So like buckle up, close your eyes, and I want you to go back to a time in your life. It may be back when you're 8 or 3 or 14 or however long it takes you to get back, but get back to a place where a very specific experience you had of being so freaking excited to get outside and play. To be so freaking excited to go to your practice for your sport. To just be able to get out on the playground at recess and run around and hop on the swings and laugh with your friends. Everyone has had that. At one point in their life, they have had that, right? You have had that experience. So I want you to time travel, time hop back to that place where you were like, I just can't wait to go out and play. And feel how you felt. Embody it. Pull it back. It is in your DNA. So call it up. Pull it back into your cellular structures. All right. Once you feel like, yeah, I got that feeling, I'm locking it in, then you can travel back to present day. That's what working out is. It's simply just, when do I get to go out and play? And if you feel like you're struggling to go running, then perhaps you pick something else. So, like, just frame of reference, I'm looking at all these surfers this morning, and I freaking love to surf too. And like, they're coming out of the water, and it is drizzling, it's like hurricaney, but they are in there in rapture. And there ain't no way that any of those surfers is in that water right now going, ugh, I can't believe I had to get up so early this morning and get out and surf. I had to get my surf workout in. No way. No way. No, these guys are living it up right now. And I know that when I surf, it's like 2 hours, 3 hours of the most intense physical activity. And I feel like I'm in the water for like 1 minute. So find your soulmate play out. You know what? Fuck it. There are no rules. Who's to say you can't literally go to your local playground on your lunch break and hop on the swings for 20 minutes? Like, whatever it is that calls in your soul that makes you want to move. Maybe it's just putting on like ridiculously fun music and shaking your booty, right? Do something that feels so effortless when you're doing it, because you're in your soul space and you are in a state of complete play. And that's what working out, which we're now calling playing out, is. And when you step into that, it is so freaking effortless, and you just have to do it once. And it's an instant transformation, because you can't unlearn that. Once you go back, you time hop, you get back to that place where you're like, yeah, I do remember that I used to love going out and swinging on the swings. I loved practicing and shooting hoops in the backyard for hours. I could do that, playing catch, whatever, you know, even if it's walking your dog. Feel into that, and now you have it for life. And you get to pre-frame every day with, when do I get to go out and play? And the last challenge I'm going to give you is make sure that you wrap that in active appreciation. I forgot that piece this morning. I was like having a bit of the, it's rainy, drizzly, and do I really want to get out and run? And I was like, okay. I so deeply appreciate how good and light my body feels right now. I so deeply appreciate the good night's sleep I had last night. I want to honor that. I so deeply appreciate all of the loved ones in my life that I'm showing up to be my best for today. Boom. And I feel that, I capture that in my cells, and I'm like, oh, all those little like excuses, no. Threw on my music. I wish I could play what I was playing for you, because it was like some, so much fun, just really fun music, and actively appreciating the moment and each step of my run. Just effortless, bouncy. Find your bouncy, effortless, most rapturous play, and do it today. And comment below, let me know what comes up for you. I want to know. Maybe some peeps are like, I don't know, gonna bug out on the playground today, and I'd be super excited to hear that. So much love, psych for your freedom. Peace out, have a great day.